same. So today I am going to start the same lesson, continuing the same lesson, that is the Earth, our living planet. Why our Earth is called as a living planet? Because it is suitable from the suitable distance from the sun, the range of temperature, life supporting gases, atmosphere and the water cycle. These all things makes our Earth a life supporting. These all things makes our life on the earth, and because of the water also, and our earth is called as a blue planet, watery planet and living planet. Blue planet because our earth is blue in color, so it is called as a blue planet. And water planet, more water is there on the earth, so it is called as a water planet. And there is a life supporting gases on the earth, so it is called as a living planet. And we have seen about our geographical area, that is 510 million square kilometers, and the continents, 7 continents are there and 4 major oceans are there on the earth. So these are the things make our earth a perfect place to live. And yesterday we have seen about the latitudes and longitudes. So latitudes are called as the horizontal lines and longitudes are called as the vertical lines. They are called as imaginary lines that are drawn on the globe to locate the places, distance and the directions. So today I am going to continue with the longitude and time. So in this longitude and time, there is a definite relation between longitude and time. So the earth is rotating on its axis and complete one rotation in 24 hours. So you can see this is our earth. It is rotating. What is doing? It is rotating. This rotation takes, or complete one rotation takes 24 hours. So I already said you, there are the imaginary lines, that is latitudes and the longitudes drawn on the earth. And this means 360 longitudes are covered in a period of 24 hours. So this is our model of the earth. This is the equator. These are the latitudes and they are also called as parallel lines. This is the equator. And these are the longitudes. They are also called as meridians. They are in semi-circle and they are in a same length. So these all lines are imaginary lines drawn on the earth to locate the places, distance and the directions. So now we are talking about the longitude and time. There is a definite relation between the longitude and time. And 360. How come 360 lines are there on the earth? That is the west 180 longitudes, east 180 longitudes, total 360 longitudes are there on the earth. So these 360 longitudes are covered in a period of 24 hours. So then each and every, the earth, when the time of rotating, the rotation of the earth, what happens? When the time of rotation of the earth, the time varies from place to place. This is the main reason. And one more thing, that is the local time. The time according to the longitude of a place or according to the position of sun of that place is known as local time. When the sun rises, falls on the earth and the earth will be rotating. What happens? The earth will be rotating. When the sun rises, falls on the earth, the time will be varies from place to place. And this is based on local meridian over over that place. When the sun shining vertically on the longitude, it is 12 noon at that place. So I already said you these longitudes are also called as in a vertical lines. So when sun shines, when you can consider it is 12 noon, so the sun will be straight away on top of our head. At that time we will say that it is exactly 12 noon. So all the places situated on the same meridian have the same local time. So like that, every longitude has its own local time. Now standard time. So as the local time varies from place to place, it would consider confusion. It would consider a confusion on the it would consider a confusion of each place were to follow the local time. To avoid this confusion, many countries following the uniform time throughout a country. Such uniform time is based on central meridian of a country or the meridian on which the most important city is located. So this uniform time which is followed throughout the country is called as a standard time. And in India 82.5 degree is longitude is considered as a standard meridian of a country. So this it passes through Allahabad of Uttar Pradesh. The time based on meridian is called Indian Standard Time. It is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of a country. So this is about the longitude and time, local time and the standard time. Once again I am going to tell your children, recalling that why the time is differ. Only reason that is our earth is what happening? It is rotating. Because of this rotation only, there is a difference in the time of the local places. So each and every place will be having various times. So because of that, in the standard time, many countries they are following the uniform time throughout a country. So such uniform time is based on central meridian of a country or the meridian which is based on most important city is located. So such uniform time which is followed throughout the country is called as the standard time of the country. We also following the Indian standard time, that is 82.5 degree is longitude. This Indian central time, the standard meridian time that falls of Allahabad of Uttar Pradesh, and it is considered as an Indian standard time. So tomorrow again I am going to continue the same lesson. So till here, whatever I said you all, I explained you all, I hope you all understanding children. So thank you so much.